Wealth is invisible. The guy that you didn't pay attention to walking past you could be very wealthy. And here's the thing, humans are getting it all wrong. Majority of the people are chasing the wrong thing. Why? Why are so many people not doing well? Why are so many people mediocre? Why are so many people average? Because we humans are very good at bouncing off each other. We look and copy people. What is the latest trend? What do I need to do to keep up with society? That is our major downfall. Because you're copying what you're visually seeing and not what's actually happening, which is what's inside, which is what's in their bank account, which is what they actually own. You don't know any of that. You are basing success on the front. That's a dangerous game. Because you go and buy the things that look fancy, that portray wealth. When you are keeping up or trying to play that game, you are at a loss every time, and that is why so many people are broke. When you see someone driving a Ferrari, let's say that thing is $300,000, you think they are rich? The only fact you have is they are $300,000 down, less in their bank account than when they started. Either that, or they got it on finance, or they borrowed it, somewhere in between. So, what are you basing your assumption on? Think about it.